Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we will finish your test on Thursday. But for right now, let's go ahead and take a look at something different. We're going to start chapter 2, and we're going to take a look at combining like terms. So you're going to complete this. It's 4 questions. And then this link, I'll show you what it is if you need it. Alright. Alright, so what does it mean to combine like terms? If you're going to combine like terms, you're thinking about terms. Well, first off, what are terms? Terms are separated by addition and subtraction, and they can involve numbers, variables, exponents. And so in order for things to be like terms, they have to have the same variable and the same exponent. And then what we can do is we can add those things together. So, for example, if you're looking at this expression, 3x minus 5y plus 5x plus 3 minus 4y plus 7, your like terms would be, if you take a look at all of them, a term would be like 3x is a term. I'm going to go ahead and circle that. And then we're looking for like terms, negative 5y plus 5x plus 3 minus 4y plus 7. So there's nothing else with the variable x else. So 3 plus 5. It's always take that symbol out in front. So 3 plus 5, 8. All right. Let's go to the next one, negative 5y. I say negative, I know it's minus, same thing. All right, negative 5y, we already used the ones in red, plus 3 minus, why is this not writing? There we go, minus 4y. So negative 5, negative 4, minus 9y. And then finally, plus 3, plus 7, plus 10. And then that is considered simplified. We've combined all of the like terms. And then keep in mind when you combine like terms, always order it from the highest exponent to the lowest exponent. If you don't have any exponents, do it by alphabetical order. So just keep that in mind. I'll show you what I mean here. All right, so we got 4 examples. Go through them pretty quick here. So when you're looking at part A, you have some different variables, no x's and y's. And something I wanted to show you real quick is this link right here will take you to the algebra tiles. I'm sure you've seen these. You probably used them last year. We're not going to get super into them, but if you want to use them, if you like them, if you have trouble combining like terms, this is a way you could use them. So let's go and do the next example. I'll just use x for a and y for c. So it says negative 4a. So that means I'll use x. So there's 4 of these. And they're all, I wonder if I can do them all at once here. Nope. They're all negative. So negative 4a. Like I said, I'll use x. And then plus 3c. We'll use these, 3c. Keep them positive. And I think it's minus 5c. So 1, 2, all right. And I believe it was minus a. So another one of these. All right. So technically, if you line them up, I kind of put them weird. Like this. Right, and then we want to combine the like terms. So when we're thinking about like terms with algebra tiles, that means the same shape. So these will go with this one, and they're both negative, so you're just going to put them together. Now think about it, positive and negative will cancel each other out. So you can put these 3 with these 3 right here. These all go away. And so you're left with negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is x's, but a's in this case, and negative 2c. So let's go back to here. Identify our like terms, right? If you don't want to use the tiles. Oops, that's not a like term. Apologies. right here. So negative 4a, negative 1. If you want to write the 1a, so negative 5a. And then right here, plus 3 minus 5, negative 2c. And that's what we had with the algebra tiles. So if you want to use the algebra tiles to help you out now, it's probably going to be easier with x's and y's rather than a's and c's, but you can certainly convert them and do it that way. But that's what we got with the algebra tiles. All right, next one. I'm not going to use the algebra tiles here because writing out 7 1 tiles doesn't sound appealing to me. But when you look at it, we have numbers. Now numbers do combine. I didn't mention it in the previous problem, but if there's no variables, no exponents, then you're just looking at the numbers to combine if you have them. So nothing will combine with the 7x, so I'll just put it out in front, and then 3 minus 7, negative. Like I said, always take the sign out in front, so negative 7. Treat it like a negative 7. You can even say 3 minus 7. All right, and you can see by the order of the ones we've done so far, I have the first one in alphabetical order based on the variables, A and C. For the next one, I have the variable and then the number. The variable would technically have an exponent of 1. And then this would have an exponent of 0. Don't write that, but I just want to show you we have it in order because the exponents are in order. All right, but yeah, the numbers, if you have just numbers alone, they're always going to go last. All right, the next one. As you can see, you got 3x. So do we have any other x terms? Nope. Do we have any other y terms? Nope. Do we have any other numbers? Nope. So right there you can see, I just want to circle them to show you, sometimes we won't have like terms. Sometimes that's it. Sometimes you don't have to simplify it. So it's up to you how you want to do this. If you just want to go like this and rewrite it, that would work. Or if you want to say, like, write out already simplified, you can do that. It's honestly, I think it took more time to write out already simplified than the actual answer. So you can do either thing, but you have to just show me that you know it's already simplified. All right, last one. So we're dealing with some exponents here. Terms with exponents. 3x squared is a term. Do we have anything else with the exponent of 2? We do. Right there. Let me erase a little bit here. All right. We have a minus 2x and a minus 5x. And then I'm just going to leave the 12 there by itself because there's nothing that will combine with it. So finally our answer, 3 plus that 1 out in front, so 4x squared. You're just counting up how many x squared you have there. All right, negative 2, negative 5. So we know the answer is going to be negative 7x plus 12. So if you need some color, I should have done these color matching, but here's your red terms. Here's your blue terms. Then 12 was not circled with anything. And as you can see, the order here goes x squared, highest. So we only have x's, so it's alphabetically good, and then it has the highest exponent first. This one would have a 1 exponent, and this one has 0 exponent. So that would be the order. All right, guys, other than that, these 4 problems are the ones you're going to do. Make sure to go into the Google Doc, type in your answers, you'll be good to go. Other than that, guys, take care.